Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is from Oh My Girl's YooA new song, Voyage. Her look is pretty natural, so instead of foundation, I use only concealer and blend it in with a cushion puff. I put some eyelid tape on to create more space since her eyelids are big and round. Next we're gonna take some of this shine away, and I'm using a loose white face powder. Then we move on to the eyes. The Etude House Maple Road palette is a win for this look, and I start off with a red-orange shade and put it on the whole lid and also under my eyes. Then I use the beige brown tone on this palette and blend the crease out. I also put a bit of this shade in the inner corners and blend the orange shade out. I'm sorry that the tape is so visible. Next I use a red-brown shade and create a little wing. Then I use a small brush and a black eyeliner to tightline my eyes. Then I curl my lashes and apply mascara mostly on the middle part of my eyes. Then onto the eyebrows. I fixed them up a little bit and put some of the orange-brown shade on top to match with the eye look. Then it's time for shading. I just do a little bit because it seems like she didn't really have any shading on. Then I contour my nose a bit and under my lips to plump them a little bit. Then on to one of my favorite parts on this look, which is blush. She had a really cute blush look in the music video, and that's what I'm doing. Applying it on the apples of my cheeks and my nose and blend it out to the sides of my face. Then some highlighter to give some shine back into my life. Now create some freckles with a brown eyeliner. Now we're gonna work on those really plump, nice looking lips. I overline the lips first, but sharpen your lip liner and be smart, not like me. And then I use a brown, orange, red tone lip tint, and this one from Free CE I think is really good for this look because the color matches pretty perfectly. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and see you guys next time. Much love. Mwah.